next is, if x and y are positive real numbers, then find true or false. Now remember one thing, what is positive? Positive is okay, you understand. What is real number? Sir, this number system is basically has two types of numbers, real and imaginary. This imaginary part you won't be having it in ninth standard or 10th. If you go for science or engineering only, then you'll be having it. So it's 2 plus 3i basically. This I comes over. It's also called polar numbers or circular numbers, you can call it. But that's none of our business now. Let's focus on real numbers. Real again has two parts, rational and irrational. Now this rational again has two parts, three parts. It can be more also, but we are concerned only about three. So rational again has three parts, integers, whole and natural. So that's it, that's a number system. So that's the meaning of real number. Now positive real number means what? This will be either 0 or 1. Means mostly not even 0, it will be natural number only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, anything like that. Or it can be 1 root 3, 1.2 root 3, anything it can be. But for our convenience, whenever we get such problems, what we do is, forget this irrational part, because this is a part of the real, means real number. So forget this root 3 and root 5 part. You take only natural numbers whenever you get such problems and then try to solve them. So let's solve this now. If x is greater than y, so it means minus x is greater than minus 5. Let's see. Let's take x as 5 and y as 3. So 5 is greater than 3. So minus 5 is less than minus 3. It's not greater than. So this statement is false. The second statement automatically it becomes true, because this is what we have got. So minus 5 is less than minus 3. So minus x is less than minus 5. That's okay. Next, yeah, are you getting it? First is false, second is true. Now next, this 5 is greater than 3, therefore 1 upon 5 is greater than 1 upon 3. So that is false, because see here, 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 3, you have to check, just cross multiply 3 and 5, which is greater 5. So 1 upon 3 will be greater. This we had earlier in some 5th or 6th standard. Okay. Always when you have to check the fraction, which fraction is greater, bring the denominator as 1 and cross multiply, and the side which is bigger one is the bigger fraction. So this is false. Again same over here, 1 upon 5 less than minus 1 upon 3. See here, any positive number will always be greater than the negative number. It can be less than that, because it's given that both the numbers are actually positive. Suppose if you attach minus over here, this will be less than. Okay.